Friends, imagine turning a banana peel into flour and discarded vegetables into powder on a small scale production level. Sounds incredible, right? But it's true. Today, we will discuss 8 innovative powdered food manufacturing business ideas that explore how food waste can be processed into value added products, contributing to a growing global market. Today, more than 30% of the world's food is wasted every year. People often discard fruit peels, vegetable scraps, or leftovers from food manufacturing plants as waste, which can be ground into powder and used to create new products. Moreover, the biggest advantages of turning this food into powder are its long shelf life, easy transportation, and innovative culinary applications. And currently, the market demand for these powders is growing rapidly. So, if you are thinking of starting a manufacturing business from small scale, watch this video till the end. But remember, when you are turning waste into a resource, proper food safety licenses and compliance are mandatory for food related production. So, come, let's start. Hi, friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Banana peel flour manufacturing. Banana consumption is high in India and around the world, but most of its peels are wasted. Therefore, these peels can be dried and ground to make banana peel flour, which is commonly used in bread and healthy snacks. And in the international market, health conscious consumers are willing to pay a higher price for this unique flour. So, even in small quantities, it can be sold in the local market and exported. But the nutritional values need to be verified through proper testing before being sold commercially. Number 2. Vegetable trim powder manufacturing. Vegetable wastes like carrot peels, beetroot peels, spinach stems, and tomato pulp, which we often consider as food waste, can be dried and made into seasoning powders. You can start this business from small units. Moreover, these powders are used in soups, noodles, ready to cook meals, and spices. Yes, the global seasoning market is estimated to be worth billions in the coming years and is growing steadily. This concept has potential to scale, but actual growth will depend on your operations, marketing, and compliance. Number 3. Mango seed kernel powder manufacturing. Often, the mango pulp processing industry uses only the mango pulp, but the seeds are discarded. The kernels inside these seeds are dried and ground into a powder, which is used as a fat substitute in biscuits, chocolate, and ice cream. The demand for this is growing rapidly, especially in the baking industry in Europe and the United States. Therefore, this could become a profitable activity if you find the right buyers and manage costs effectively on a small scale. Number 4. Orange peel powder manufacturing. Orange juice shops throw away peels every day, but these peels can be dried and turned into orange peel powder. This powder is widely used in skincare, herbal teas, and food seasonings, especially as global brands prefer plant-based ingredients. Therefore, peel production can be started at a small scale with a small powder and a plate dryer. Moreover, there appears to be demand in both domestic and export markets, but this can change with trends and regulations. So, starting now gives an advantage to those who go first in the local markets. Number 5. Spent grain protein powder manufacturing. Breweries throw away the used grains after production, but the waste grain is rich in fiber and protein. So you can buy it, dry it, and process it in a small scale setup subject to food safety regulations. Today, the healthy bakery trend is increasing in urban cities, due to which many startups are adding high fiber ingredients to bread and cookies. So starting with proper drying and grinding, it has the potential to become a premium product. Number 6. Onion skin powder manufacturing. Onion skins are usually thrown away in large quantities in vegetable markets. Some studies suggest they may contain antioxidants, and in some cases they are explored for use in animal feed or supplement related products. So you can collect these skins, clean them, dry them, and then make them into a powder at small scale setup. Moreover, this industry is well suited to agricultural areas, and in the early stages, some people start with basic equipment like a small spice grinder and upgrade as they grow. Number 7. Coffee husk powder manufacturing. Coffee processing produces coffee husks as a common waste, and these husks are dried and powdered, and some companies process it into certified food grade products after proper safety tests. So you can start this business at small level by purchasing coffee husks from coffee manufacturing companies. The organic food market is expanding, and many fertilizer brands are looking for natural additives. So starting now can become a unique but sustainable opportunity in the future. Number 8. Eggshell powder manufacturing. Today, tons of eggshells are discarded by restaurants and bakeries in various places, but they are a calcium-rich raw material. So you can collect these waste eggshells, clean them, and then grind them into powder. It is used in animal feed and industrial applications. Moreover, the calcium powder market is especially large in Asia and Europe, and you can start this business at small factory setup. However, any use in human supplements requires strict food safety approvals and certified processing. Friends, you can start a food waste to powder business with a small dryer and grinder at the beginning. However, the investment amounts, machine prices, raw material costs and profit examples are approximate and may vary depending on location, size, supplier and market conditions. So first look around your local market, and before starting, please do your own research. Friends, all the above business ideas are part of the industry. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. If you like this video, please like and comment. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, friends. See you in the next video.